Everyone, today I will discuss the topic radiopharmaceutical. So আজি আমি radiopharmaceuticalৰ বিষয়ে আলোচনা কৰিম। So আগতে আমি ইয়াৰ ডেফিনেশনটো চাই লওঁ। ডেফিনেশনত কি বুলি কোৱা হৈছে? Radiopharmaceuticals compound or substance which emit radiation. Compound or substance যিবোৰে radiation emit কৰিব পাৰে, which are used in pharmacy or যিবোৰক pharmacy use কৰা হয়. Similar words are used. This substance like radio isotope, radio nuclide and radio isotope. এইবোৰক radio isotope, radio nuclide নামেৰে জনা যায়. So radioactivity, the process of emitting radiation by unstable isotope is known as radioactivity, and this type of isotope are known as radioactive isotope. যিটো প্ৰচেছৰ দ্বাৰা unstable isotope বোৰে radiation emit কৰে তেনে তাকে radioactivity বুলি কোৱা হয়, and this type of isotope are known as radioactive isotope. So radioisotopes, these are unstable isotope which emit radiation. এইবোৰ unstable isotope হয় আৰু যিবোৰে radiation emit কৰিব পাৰে. So isotopeৰ definitionটো চাই লওঁ. Atom of an element which have the same atomic number but which have different mass number are called as isotope. Atom etat same atomic number hobo lagibo kintu mass number to different hobo lagibo, tetia tar ki boli koa hobo? Isotope boli koa hobo. Number, it is defined as the time required for a radioactive isotope to decay to 1/2 of its original value at any given point of time. So yat ullekh korise je time required for a radioactive isotope decay to 1/2 of its original value. সময় কিমানখিনি দৰকাৰ হ'ব radioactive isotope এটা ক্ষয় হ'বলৈ হলে 1/2 of its original value at any given point of time. So number 6, atomic number. It is equal to number of proton present in the nucleus of its atom. So atomic number কেনেকৈ আমি কাউন্ট কৰিব পাৰিম? It is equal number of protons present in the nucleus of its atom. Atom এটা নিউক্লিয়াছত থকা protonৰ নম্বৰৰ সৈতে সম হিচাপত আমি ইয়াক গণনা কৰিব পাৰোঁ. Number 7, mass number. It is the sum of the number of proton and the number of neutrons. Mass number কেনেকৈ গণনা কৰিব পাৰিম আমি? It is the sum of the number of proton and the number of neutrons. Number of proton আৰু neutron দুটা যোগ কৰি আমি mass number পাব পাৰিম. So next unit. The fundamental unit of radioactivity are curie, millicurie, microcurie, becquerel, electron volt, Roentgen, rate, etc. Curie. It is defined as the quantity of the radioactive substance undergoing 3.7 into 10 to the power 10 disintegration per second. 1 curie is equal to 3.7 into 10 to the power 10 becquerel. Becquerel, it is the SI unit of activity defined as 1 transformation per second. So ইয়াত দিয়া হৈছে 1 curie মান কিমান হ'ব? ইয়া 3.7 into 10 to the power 10 disintegration per second. So 1 curie is equal to 3.7 into 10 to the power 10 becquerel. So becquerel মানে কি? It is the SI unit of activity defined as 1 transformation per second. 1 becquerel is equal to 2.7 into 10 to the power inverse 11 curie. 1 electron volt is equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power inverse 19 joule. 1 rad is equal to 10 to the power inverse 2 joule per kg. 1 Roentgen is equal to 2.58 into 10 to the power inverse 4 coulomb per kg. Biological effect of radiation. The effect of radioactive particles impinging upon biological tissue depend upon radioactive particle বোৰে biological tissue ওপৰত কিছু পৰিমাণে প্ৰভাৱ পেলাব পাৰে হেতু নিৰ্ভৰ কৰে the ability of the radiation to penetrate tissue এটা ভেদ কৰিব পৰা দক্ষতাৰ ওপৰত the energy of the radiationৰ শক্তিৰ ওপৰত surface area exposed to radiationত কিমান surface area expose হৈ আছে বা কিমানখিনি surfaceত radiatione affect কৰি আছে radiationটো পৰি আছে dose rate of radiationৰ যিটো dose rate আছে তাৰ ওপৰত নিৰ্ভৰ কৰে when the radiation interact with molecules present in the tissue it forms free radicals the free radicals formed from water or another toxic ion shown below so radiation interact with molecules radiation molecules লগত interact কৰিব পাৰে present in the tissues it form free radical আৰু এই free radical সৃষ্টি কৰিব পাৰে the free radical formed from water or other toxic ion as shown below ইয়াত দেখুওৱা ধৰণে কি কৰিব পাৰে water or other toxic ion জৰিয়তে free radical create কৰিব পাৰে half life of radionuclide definition it is defined as the time required for a radioactive isotope to decay one half of its original value at any given point of time suppose we have 64 microcurie of radioactivity in a given sample of ferric citrate solution on date 1/3/2006 to 3/5/2006 64 millicurie after first half-life period example after 45 days 32 millicurie after the second half-life 16 millicurie after third half-life 8 millicurie after the fourth half-life 4 millicurie application of radiopharmaceutical in pharmacy radiopharmaceuticals are used in the various branches like diagnostic application radiotherapy sterilization for research analytical application diagnostic applications number 1 phosphorus 32 used for diagnosis of cancer chromium 51 used for diagnosis of red cell survival and volume it is also used to estimate GI blood losses through stool or urine number 3 cobalt 5758 used for measurement of absorption of vitamin B12 diagnosis of pernicious anemia number 4 iodine 131 determination of thyroid function radiotherapy some of isotopes are having ability to destroy the disease without destroying healthy tissues iodine 131 used to treatment of hyperthyroidism number B used in the treatment of thyroid cancer number C cobalt 60 used to treatment of cancer involving cervix vagina uterus bladder mouth tongue and lips number D phosphorus 32 used in the treatment of various types of cancer in polycythemia erythrocytosis and leukemia for sterilization purpose used for sterilization of thermolabile drugs like hormones vitamin antibiotic surgical dressings disposal syringes example cobalt 60 used for the sterilization of disposable syringes catheters and surgical dressing research applications used in biochemical reactions may be used for detection of mechanism of reactions example iodine 131 sodium 24 phosphorus 32. Number 5, analytical, plays major role when dealing with dilute solutions. ইয়াত উল্লেখ কৰা শাখাসমূহত ৰেডিঅ' ফাৰ্মাচিউটিকেলসমূহ বহুলভাৱে ব্যৱহাৰ কৰা। Thank you.